Hi, my name is Christopher Tomlin and my partner's name is Paul Jackson. We live here with two dogs, Lily and Sammy, both rescue dogs. We've got a lovely forest at the bottom of the paddock. We're surrounded by native bush and the Taronga Creek runs down the bottom of the garden. So at the front of the house, as you come down the driveway, the first thing that you see is a cork steel sculpture called Fly My Beauty, and that stands out really well against the black James Hardie Oblique Weatherboard. So this is the first home that we built. It was a big decision, but we wanted our forever home and we wanted an input into what we wanted to make it just right for us. So we chose the James Hardie Oblique Weatherboard because we could choose to paint it whichever colour we wanted. We painted it black because we felt it matched the surroundings of where the house was. And then the very clean lines is what we wanted to end up with wrapped around the house.